Today, we're looking at a new sling bag I picked up. This is the VERT-5 Sling Bag from Vanquest, and this is the first piece of Vanquest gear that I'm reviewing. Let's take a look. So I've loaded out the sling bag with my EDC writing and art kit so that if I'm going to a coffee shop, if I'm going to the library, or I want to sit in the park, I have all my stuff to be creative, to be productive, really relax, get some mental clarity, exercise some demons, wipe away some stress, and everything I need is in this little sling bag. The Vanquest VERT-5 Sling Bag retails for $133. I have it in this nice shadow gray color, and I like kind of that gray pattern it has on it. It's like gray and white with a little bit of texture to it. It also comes in a multicam black as well as a solid black colorway. It's got a 5-liter capacity, so it's somewhere between a large sling bag, a messenger bag, and a regular sling. It weighs 1.18 pounds, so it's relatively lightweight, and it measures in at 16 by 8.25 by 3 inches deep. In terms of its materials, it has a 500D Cordura Nylon 66, a 400D Urban Blend Nylon Poly fabric with PU coating on both sides, and a 210D Ripstop Nylon with DWR coating. It's got YKK zippers throughout, and they're aqua guarded. It has Duraflex hardware, and it has these Spartan molded zipper pulls that are really easy to grab with your finger. You can just kind of loop them through. It's got high strength bar tack and box and X stitching, taped seams, and high tensile strength nylon webbing. So it's a really durable, nicely made bag. For $133, you're getting a ton of nice materials here. All of the zippers are lockable, so they have the little loops on them if you wanted to put a micro beaner or some kind of TSA lock through them. You have this nice ambidextrous strap, so if you wanted to unclip it and clip it to the other side, wear it on whatever shoulder you want. Its carry system has really nice padding on the back. You have an 1.5 inch wide carry strap for extra comfort, a little grab handle here for quick adjustment, either to loosen or tighten it while you're wearing it. And it's overall just a really tremendously crafted sling bag. There's hook and loop in a lot of the panels for CCW carry, and it fits up to 11-inch tablets or gaming devices. If you wanted to fit like a Nintendo Switch or some kind of 11-inch tablet, you could easily do that. There's just a lot of versatility, and it's smaller than a backpack and smaller than a messenger bag, but bigger than your traditional sling. So it's kind of this nice medium-sized item that you could easily travel with and have enough room for extra gear, water bottle, notebooks, things like that, but not so big that you're carrying things like a laptop or super heavy gear. Other than the carry system, it has this nice nylon grab handle at the top so you can move the bag around easily. You have a quick access pocket on the front. You have the main compartment right here. And then you have a little hidden back pocket here for things like passports. You know I like my hidden pockets on my sling bags. Like I noted, it has a lot of padding on the back. You also have this little stash pocket at the top here that's kind of triangular. And all of this Duraflex hardware is super nice, easily adjustable. Those nice Spartan zipper pulls I mentioned. So let's go over the interior features of the bag while I show you exactly how I have this loaded out. So we can start with this little quick access compartment here. If I unzip that, you can see the nice hook and loop pattern inside if you wanted to stick gear on here using hook and loop. And then you have this nice ripstop back here, that really high tensile strength mesh over here. So in this little mesh zipper pocket, I just have my proof wallet, which is my EDC wallet of choice. I've got my keys. and I have my nano bag packable tote. Then you have this little strap here that is actually pretty cool. It's like a little clip-on point here that you can clip on and off and kind of secure something in place if you wanted to with the little clips and this little piece of nylon in the middle. But instead, I've just used this to hold my Olight Arc Pro flashlight and my Kershaw Misdirect EDC knife. And then you have a little slide pocket here where I just have my cell phone and my Nightcore 10,000 milliamp hour battery with the attached cord. So really nicely designed, a little quick access pocket on the front, plenty of room. You can do your CCW in here. You can use this little tether to secure things inside the pocket. You have a nice slide pocket and a nice zipper pocket. So overall, a really nice little pocket. You have this nice leather Vanquest logo on the front that looks really classy. The zippers function excellently, really easy to kind of get your finger in there. And like I said, they're all lockable. If we swap over to the back, we can take a look in this little hidden compartment here. And in there, I just have my Pioneer Carry passport wallet. That's my favorite passport wallet. Great place to store your passport if you were traveling with this. And that has hook and loop paneling on the inside of the pocket as well. So it'll be really good for CCW or things you want to attach. I mentioned you have these ambidextrous straps here, and there are these really nice Duraflex buckles here. So you can easily attach them, unattach them, and move this from side to side if you so desire. And then in this little triangular pocket, if you watch the way that it opens, I just have a hero clip in case I wanted to hang this bag up. I have a nice little carabiner to bring with me. And there's a little elastic loop in here. So if you had something that you didn't want to fall out when you opened it, you could easily just slide it behind this elastic loop and have it secured in there. Be a good place for keys, earbuds, things like that. It's a cool little pocket and a nice usage of space. And then we can move to the interior compartment and see what that looks like. So if you unfold that, it opens nearly fully clamshell, opens about here. You have these attachment points on the side in nylon. There's 2 on this side. There's also 2 on that side. So you have a lot of places to attach carabiners if you want to. Inside here, I've just got my Lockbee Field Folio, my little wax canvas notebook and journal holder. I have these Field Notes National Parks notebooks. I have a spare one slid back here. I have my main one here, my Lush Term notebook. I've got a highlighter, a regular Sharpie, a fine tip Sharpie, a Write-Tech pen, and my favorite pen, the Studio Neat Mark I. So nice little note-taking setup if I want to get some writing done, write poetry, write my thoughts down, work on my penmanship. I got that ability there. Then I have these mini colored pencils, and they have a little sharpener on the top. They're in a protective case, lots of different colors. If I want to get into some coloring or draw some pictures with color, I have that ability. Then you have another little zipper mesh pocket here. And in there, I've just got 3 different calligraphy pens if I wanted to do some calligraphy. Work on just making some nice little calligraphy designs. Then I have this nice leather notebook cover that I got from Etsy. Really nice seller. I had it imprinted with Practical Dreamer, which is what I consider myself. I'm a person who is a bit of an idealist, but I'm also very practical. Has a nice strap to close it with. And then on the inside, I have another nice little Write-Tech pen. It's got some elastic loops to hold notebooks. So one of them is a little sketchbook, and this is easy to just draw pictures in. It's just a flat page. And then I have another Field Notes notebook, one of those National Park ones, if I want to take some notes or draw something where I need a grid pattern to kind of understand the placement and sizing of things. I can do some rough drawings in here and then finalize the sketches in the sketchbook. So it's a really nice little setup here for drawing as well as taking some additional notes. And then when I want to close it up, I can just kind of tuck all this away. And if we take a look at this internal compartment, we have more hook and loop if you want to attach things or have CCW in there. You have a slide pocket behind it. You have some nice internal volume in the middle. And you have those durable mesh pockets I already mentioned. So the overall organization of this internal compartment is excellent. You can fit all kinds of stuff in here. You could easily put the gaming devices or tablets. There's little pockets with zippers if you have small gear. There's enough internal volume for larger pouches or my journal setup like I showed. And I have everything I need as far as my passport, my phone, I have battery backups, I have my wallet, I have some extra storage in my packable tote. I've got my hero clip, I have colored pencils, I have calligraphy pens, I have a sketching setup, a journal setup, an EDC knife just in case, as well as a flashlight. And it's absolutely everything I need to be productive, to be creative, to take to a coffee shop, to take to a park, and get some work done. So what do you think about my EDC writing and art kit? Is there anything that you would add, anything you would subtract, or any suggestions you would make? What do you think of this Vanquest Sling Bag? Do you think it's a nice sling bag? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments below. As far as my thoughts on this sling bag and my keep, gift, donate, sell framework, this is definitely going into the keep pile. I always need like a larger size sling, especially one that's somewhere between a sling and a backpack like this. I think it's made from excellent materials. I think it's absolutely durable, weatherproof, fits everything I need into it, and it's really comfortable to wear too. The ambidextrous strap is a nice touch, high quality zippers, high quality weatherproof materials, nice amount of attachment points and grab handles, and it's just overall a really beautiful sling bag and perfect for EDC. This would fit all kinds of EDC tools, any kind of CCW you have. This kind of setup, you could use it as a travel bag, throw a water bottle in here, plenty of room, very lightweight, very durable, excellent looking. I think it's stylish, minimal, and it works extremely well for a lot of different EDC setups. So I absolutely love this bag, and it's definitely going in the keep pile. If you have any other larger sling bags you'd like to recommend, please leave a comment below. If you want to pick up any of the gear that I've decided not to keep, check out my eBay link. If you want to pick up any of my merch, check out my merch link. Thank you for all your comments, anecdotes, and conversations that we've had thus far. I really enjoy all of it. Thank you as always for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe because it helps the channel out a lot. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.